What is up, YouTube? Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is a channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for this episode, I want to bring you guys my unboxing, on-feet review, and everything you need to know about the Yeezy 350 Boost V2 Black Static. Let's go. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because we constantly do giveaways on this channel. In fact, we have 3 ongoing giveaways. We're giving away a Supreme BOGO sweatshirt, 2 gift certificates to Soul Academy worth 5,000 pesos each, and a Nike Off-White shirt that we got from Off-White Manila. The mechanics to all 3 giveaways can be found down below in the description box. So make sure that you guys are subscribed, make sure that you hit the notification bell, and make sure that you follow me on Instagram. So here we have the Yeezy 350 Boost V2 Black Static. This is the non-reflective version. If you guys didn't see my 2 previous vlogs, well, my previous vlog where I actually joined the raffle for the reflective and I went to the camp out for the 350 Boost V2 Black Static. The link to that down below. So let's get to the unboxing. So as you guys can see, it comes in this brown carton box, typical Yeezy box, 350 printed at the top. Details of the shoe here, sells for 11,495 pesos here in the Philippines, roughly $220 US. In terms of sizing, I did go half size up. Naturally, size 12, decided to go 12.5 on this one. If you pop the box open, you get your typical Yeezy tissue paper, and then you get to the actual sneaker. This is the Yeezy 350 Boost Black Static. And one of the first things that you guys need to know about the shoe is that it is ridiculously, incredibly overhyped right now. I mean, I saw the lines in the camp out here in the Philippines. I saw all the lines happening all over the world, especially here in Asia. There were lines in Japan, lines in Taiwan. So people who keep saying that the Yeezy hype is dead, no, it's not. In fact, I think it's going to keep on getting more intense as more and more people who weren't sneakerheads, people who didn't know a thing about sneakers before, get into the sneaker community because of sneakers such as this. So anyway, this is ridiculously hyped. In fact, in terms of pricing, you saw the retail, it's selling for like 11,495, but the local resale market right now in the Philippines is already at 25,000 pesos for the non-reflective version. And the reflective version, some people are even selling it for 50,000 pesos or 1,000 US dollars. Second thing you need to know about it is the reason why it's probably hyped. It's because this is only the second all-black Yeezy 350 Boost V2 to come out ever since the Pirate Black version, which came out several years back. So that's the reason why I think this is such a pair that people, especially both Yeezy and non-Yeezy fans, are super excited about. The Yeezy 350 Boost V2 Pirate Black fetched for like over 50,000 pesos, $1,000 on the resale market. And now that we have like an opportunity to be able to pick one up for retail, I think that's the reason why people are going super crazy over it, because they feel and they think that the value of this one is just like the same as the Pirate Black. Also, apart from that, the great thing about black sneakers in general is that they are super easy to wear. They are super easy to maintain because even if they do get dirty, you can't see it because it's black. And apart from that, it's easy to wear because it goes with pretty much anything and everything that you have in your wardrobe. Goes with jeans, goes with joggers. Super easy to wear. Black is easy, subtle, awesome. Next thing you need to know about it is that the non-reflective version actually has reflective hints. So the laces are reflective. The 3 stripes here at the back are reflective. Now the actual reflective model, the entire upper is reflective. But for this one, it's just the laces and the 3 stripes that you guys see here at the back. And lastly, on feet, the Yeezy 350 Boost V2 Black Static, just like any Yeezy 350 Boost V2, is super comfortable. At the end of the day, the combination of the Boost midsole combined with the insole plus the Prime Knit upper really does an excellent job of giving your feet a 360-degree comfortable experience, giving you that hotel slipper vibe as you are walking in them. So do I recommend the Yeezy 350 Boost V2 Black Static? Ultimately, it depends on what you are looking for the sneaker that you guys want to buy. If you're looking for a statement piece, then of course you can go for other Yeezys such as the Clays, such as the Zebras, if you want to make like a super strong fashion statement. But the great thing about black sneakers, just like what I mentioned with my review of the 700 V2 Vantas, is that they are super versatile. You will be spending top dollar for this. And the great thing about this particular shoe is that you can get a lot of wear out of it because you can actually wear it every day because it's easy to style, it's easy to wear. In fact, I'm going to wear wear today with jeans and just a normal shirt, because that's how easy this is to wear. And that's the beauty of the Yeezy 350 Boost V2 Black Static and black sneakers in general. You get a lot of mileage and usage out of the shoe, so the money that you spent is actually, you know, in terms of the actual use, is pretty high. So the returns that you get is pretty good, unlike other sneakers that are super loud, like the Frozen Yellows, which you don't get to wear often because they're just too crazy. So the money that you spend versus the time that you actually get to wear it is not proportionate. Unlike, for example, what you would get with a black shoe like this. Now, if you want to get Yeezys for retail and not pay resale for them, I strongly suggest that you guys follow Soul Academy on Instagram. So every time there is a Yeezy drop and they have it in their store, you find out what the mechanics are. Fantastic thing about them is that they usually do a raffle system, so there's no crazy lining up, confusing mechanics, very straightforward. You go to the site, you join the raffle, and you get notified if you win or not. So again, make sure to follow Soul Academy on Instagram. With that said, that's our unboxing, on-feet review, as well as important things you need to know about the Yeezy 350 Boost V2 Black Static. For our power-up words of wisdom for the day, this is actually more for people who weren't able to win the raffle or were able to cop a pair for retail of the Yeezy 350 Boost V2 Black Statics. Guys, the reality is Kanye is shipping a ton of Yeezys, and there are a lot of hype sneakers coming our way. So if you weren't able to win this, believe me when I say that there is always another hype sneaker that you will want. There is always a better sneaker just around the corner. There's always another shoe that you want to buy. All you have to do is wait until the time is right, where luck will shine upon you and you actually get the chance to buy the shoe that you really want for retail. And with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Peace, God bless, what's up, boom.